Hello and welcome to Material Mondays today. So, in previous videos you may have seen these little pieces as part of that form part of my travel kit, and I thought I would actually start working on some of these and have other pieces that could be in my travel kit. Now the reasons why I wanted to work on these today is because each one of them has a different method of either paint or wax resist stencil. So this has been painted on, this is just dyed, and with an ordinary needle they're a little bit hard to pierce, so I may have to use my awl to pierce through some of this is like canvas. It's not actually canvas, it's my son's old school uniform, but with gesso and paint. I was poking it and I was thinking, oh, it must be canvas, but it's fabric, it's cotton, it's a heavier cotton, but it's been painted. So that's a nice thing to be able to experiment with and see how you get on. So I want to just start working on some of these and see how I get on. And I want to bring out some other things like buttons and I've got loads of buttons that some of the colours I'm thinking may correspond with these, and just embellish some of them but just have fun. So yeah, what I'm going to do is going to be quite clear, so I'm not going to talk over it, but you're just going to see me working through some of these, and then at the end we'll come back and see how we've got on, and if there's anything I need to explain I will, but if you've got any comments or questions please leave them below. And yeah, these are nice to work on, especially if you've got you know, some time that you want to just spend reflecting and being mindful. But again, remember, there are certain things that you might find difficult to work on because of the supplies that you've added to them. So let's get on. Okay, so we have finished. I will give you a closer look. It was nice just to spend time on this small piece and to see it complete like this. And it's nice to have pieces that now this piece can go on and be part of another stitch piece, which you will see as time goes on, and this one as well. I was debating whether to stitch the word creativity with a pink thread, and I might still do that. Depends how. This is, as I said, this is quite thick, but I might just leave it or go round it in, say, a black, and then that will highlight it even more. Okay, so I'll give you a closer look and look forward to seeing you next time.